Hi. Hello. I will explain in depth about the food and beverage industry. So, check this out. The food and beverage industry is an important segment in life and the economy. Therefore, the food and beverage industry is a very competitive segment, highly dependent on efficiency and flexibility. The important role of the food and beverage industry will be influenced by technological advances such as mechanization and automation. This will help in assisting companies with processing food efficiently and effectively. However, food safety rules and regulations regarding hygienic sanitation and disinfection are still mandatory and important. Therefore, Ikuchi offers various problems for each food and beverage process. Those processes are drying, cleaning, coating, humidification, sterilization, and moisture control. Here are some examples of nozzles used for the food and beverage industry. 1. Drying use Typhoon nozzle. Two. Cleaning tank use Jet Attacker Seri Ya RJ SRRS. 3. Coating use BIM series, SOV series, and KB series. 4. Humidification use Akimist E.